Welcome to this Academy Duello drill video that demonstrates exercises and drills that can be done to practice the closed position covers of Rapier and Dagger. The first stage of the exercise is to use the Rapier to make the primary cover, gaining the sword of the opponent, placing the dagger into the secondary position of the closed position, and then having the opponent test that opening. So here you can see Roland is moving from the position where his sword has been gained into the next open line to test and see if there's an opening between the Rapier and the dagger. In this particular example, you can see a space has been left and Roland's able to place his sword through that space and thus find potential openings. Next, just eliminating that checking of distance or space in between the Rapier and dagger and just striking in the closed positions, working on focusing on the sword position, which is the first and most important part of the defense. Here, we're doing the same drill but in reverse, with Roland being the attacker, and I'm receiving each of the attacks and into the closed position. He's testing that position just as before, but the movement is opposite. And here, doing it just as a smooth exercise, attacking into those, receiving in those closed positions, but not testing them. Attacks of the leg could be taken as a void or not. Here, finally, in this stage, we're working with masks on, working at a greater level of intention and speed, and this can be scaled up all the way to full combat speed. Again, allowing each target to be struck on the part of the receiving opponent. And again, the important part here is to be using the sword as the primary defender, leaving the dagger to cover the secondary line. Roland is now testing that secondary line by making a second intention into the line the dagger should be covering to see if there's an opening.